Hello and welcome back. If you've got eyes, you've seen it's another premium set. Oh yes, we have the modern classics. Not sure how modern the Fiat is, mind, but there we are. But this is pretty cool. This was another one of those sets that kind of angered me at the start because when I first saw it, there was like plenty of the cars, but no Fiats at all. And yeah, luckily this set has been got in a bit more frequently, mainly kid stuff. Kid stuff's actually come to the really been quite handy recently. Usually I get a few odd bits there, but recently they've had everything in and quite a lot of it. Smith's has been awful, absolutely terrible. Their stock's been awful. Saying that, there's probably hundreds and thousands of stock cases in there right now while I'm not there, but it seems to be whenever I go on a Friday evening, the stocks have already been cleared out by the scalpers that don't need a job because their income is through selling other people's hobbies. Anyway, that's probably not fully the case, but I'm going to believe that regardless. But yeah, pretty cool set. I was pretty pissed because there was none of the Fiat Abarths, and there was plenty of all the rest as per usual. There's always one car that seems to be the problem. I don't know if that's like a first release for Hot Wheels or something. I mean, I don't know. Again, this is bloody awesome. It just seems weird, unless it's personal preference, but it seems weird that there's loads of all the rest when these are so cool. They're all so cool. Why is there so many? It just seems to be, I don't know. I'm adamant someone buys them all just to create a shortage of one car. But anyway, I went in a bit later and lo and behold there was a couple of Fiat Abarths in there. I left one, hopefully for another collector to find. Hopefully, I can only hope, but it's probably likely someone else bought it to sell online. But anyway, I've got a full set. Let's go through it, and I'm not going to lie, I'm not be opening any because hey, I can display these. I keep them carded, I've said this before, but I keep them carded because I'm planning on making some display racks that you slide the cards into. So this is a much better way of displaying my cars for that idea. I've already got enough loose cars to display. It's difficult making tons and tons of tiny little shelves, so having just a racking system I can slide these into makes more sense. I've explained myself, I shouldn't need to because it's my collection, I can do what I want, but there we are. Honda Civic EG, pretty cool. It's the spoon cars, my friend called it, because it says spoon. Spoon Sports. It's a pretty interesting name. But there we are, number 95. Pretty cool kind of split paint job with the streak down there. The go fast paint job. The front end's going so fast the paint's peeled off. That's pretty cool. Contrasting colours, the yellow and the blue. Does look pretty nice. Got the front lights on there as well. Let's go for some slightly closer up shots. The lights seem to be perfectly on the curve of the card there, so you can't see them at all. Oh, they put a lot of curves into these now, don't they? And they all shine. It says spoon on the back. Rear light details. Looks like we've got a number plate tab as well, which is always a plus. That's really cool. I quite like the Modern Classics logo they got going. I think that looks awesome as well. Right, number 2. And if you're lucky, you might find a black one, which is a Chase. Yes, black Chases. I don't know why all the Chases are black, because quite often these cars look better in other colours, you know. But yeah, no, it looks good in silver. I did keep an eye out for a Chase. I mean, they had absolutely loads of these in store, but sadly, there was no Chase. I haven't found a Chase since the Willys car. Yeah, Willys. That seems to be the only Chase I've actually found, and it seems to be like the cheapest and most common. Would you believe it? But yeah, this is nice. I love the look of this thing. Because I forget there's a Toyota version, the Toyota Altezza. I always just think of the, is it the IS200? Lexus IS200. But yeah, this is nice. I'm loving the wide body kit, all the lowered arches and all that. All the front light details. Look how low it sits, it's mad. Got the awesome skirt there. Oh, door handles, that was it. People pointed out it has no door handles. Yeah, it doesn't. It was a door handle delete mod, that's what that is. Go faster, that. And there's the rear. Awesome rear light details on that. And the number plate says Altezza on it. Nice. That's cool. Next up we have the apparent difficult one to find, the Fiat 131 Abarth. I mean, it does look pretty cool. It's right up my street of being retro, very boxy. Got little fog lights on the front as well, kind of rally inspired. Oh, they got the hood vent detailed in, that's cool. Like the little bonnet vent off to one side, that's pretty cool looking. Got these cool retro style wheels, tiny little wheels. But I say they do look good, the gold and red. It does look good, and it's not it's like more a coppery kind of gold. I think that looks awesome. It's got a roll cage in there as well, and there's the back. Some rear light details. The number plate. The number plate says Hot Wheels. Fair enough. Don't know if I'll be able to get that in proper focus for you all, but hopefully you can all see that. And the ducktail actually looks really cool. It's got a little roof spoiler on it too. That's sweet. Now that is very cool. I can sort of see why this might be the Scout car. But again, this is also very awesome. Just look at that purple. Mate, looks epic. I was going to say I wish it had the sunroof open like in the image, but it does. It does. I don't know if you can see it. It's not a lot, but it does. Wow. Nice grey wheels. Nice and simple. Liking that. Front light detail. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. That looks awesome. Front details are good. The rear details are perfect. Oh, that's cool. Number plate says Corrado on it. Oh, that's cool. That's really nice. That is really, really nice. I think the purple was definitely helping this one, but mate, that looks nice. Do see a couple of Corrados around here. Probably not the VR6 ones, mind, but you do see a few of these pootling around. Quite a rare thing. And I'll tell you what you do see a lot of. The MX-5 Miata. My god, these do have one hell of a cult following. And I did say in one of my peg hunts I'm not going to pick up the Miata, I'm not that interested. I bet I don't actually get any hate comments, I'm surprised. It's not that I hate MX-5s, I'm just not my scene. They're a bit small and curvy for me, but I get it. They're a little, you know, sporty. Well, people always make the joke they're slow, but a little bit of a sporty, light rear-wheel drive sort of fun box, basically. I bet they're a bit fun to drive. Oh, I've driven one. Mark II, I think it was. It was alright. It was quite neat. But yeah, no, this is nice. I like the green colour. The beige interior is definitely awesome. That's right up my alley. That looks really cool. Wheels are pretty good on this. Yeah, all round, just a pretty cool little casting. So glad I did actually get this all set in the end. It says Miata on the plate there. Got the rear light details and the front light details. Oh, it's got a plate on the right hand side there. That's really cool looking. Yeah, no, I'm chuffed with that. That's pretty cool. I'm chuffed with this set, really. It's pretty awesome indeed. Glad I didn't pass up the opportunity to get the full set. As you can tell, they're all a bit more expensive than the last set I reviewed. It's not a crazy price hike, $8.99 to £9.15, but kids stuff do like to, they seem to like keeping their prices above the other competitors for some reason, but I suppose they're a smaller branch of toy shop, apparently family run and all that, so perhaps that's why. I mean, to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised they've only put the price up if they've probably had to spend more to buy in the stock, so they probably have to up the prices now. Everything's going up in it. Seems to be the norm now, just accepting prices of everything goes up, but there we are. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let me know what you think of this set down below. Let me know what car is hard to find in your area, and if you're picking this set up, which one of these cars is your favourite. As always, thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck in your peg hunts, and yeah, I shall see you again, hopefully, in the next video.